Hi guys, it's me, Kelia. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. So today's video is going to be the announcement for the 10K giveaway winner. You all had an opportunity to win one of my mugs from my online store, Royalty Living, and so I'm excited for all of you that participated. Thank you so much, and let's go ahead and see who won. Congratulations, Keisha Berry. You've been a great supporter, and I'm so excited to see that you have won. So make sure that you contact me through my email listed below. That's right, Keisha. You are a Proverbs 31 woman, a virtuous woman of God. And I'll be sure to get your mug out to you as soon as possible. Again, congratulations. Thank you to everyone that participated, and thank you to everyone that is a part of my YouTube family. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.